What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Nolasco here. On this channel we talk about lifestyle sneaker related stuff, and welcome to the Nike factory store. Okay, what we got here, we got some Yakuza Nike Zoom X. Nice one on this one though. Well, they're selling for retail. We got some Air Maxes. Nice. And this Jordan seating everywhere. You could see them on the move. Okay, what we got here, we got some return probably. We got some Doros. Yeah, it's been used. Yep, it's been returned. Look at those. We got some Lebron. What kind of Lebron? This one is the Toon Squad Lebron. Hey, we got Toon Squad Lebron down here. And it looks like, tried it once probably, but size is size 7. More Toon Squad of the Lebrons. These are mostly small. Size is size 7 again. We got some Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 37 Be True. Nice color. $84.99. Look at the boxes. Nice. Man, this Nike Zoom X Invisible runs still on retail $180. No way. More Nike React Element 85 coming into the Nike factory store. They are $89. The React Element 55 in dark gray, $89 din. Tapos black and white, $89 as well. Whoa, look at this one, very cheap. Carry Low 3, $59.97, and they have a full size run. Wow, not bad, $59.97, but unfortunately no additional discount though. That one is good price. Okay, I'm gonna take one size 7.5. Price on this Nike Renew Run, $44.97. Not bad for a running shoes. Look at the Nike Epic React Flyknit 2. Well, they've been sitting here for $69 as well. So what we got here is the PG4, same price, $44.97. Oh, someone returned this one. We got some polka dots. Air Max 90 NRG, polka dots. $149 though. Oh, look at those, some Kyries with that Celtics colorway. Retail is $130, $79.97. The Kyrie 60. So we are home, and this is what we pick up on Nike factory. Just one pair. Unfortunately, there's not much going on sa Nike factory store, and even though we really need to buy a lot of inventory, it's kind of hard. I don't want to force myself into buy something that there's a low profit or no profit at all, and then I would regret it. So this is the only pair that I see that there is a profit, or let's just say gas money or lunch money, and this is only the size 7.5. Other sizes are too bad. And we have here the Kyrie Low 3. Nice box. Let's pop that open. And ayun, ang astig ng kulay. Man, look at that color. Vibrant, a lot of color going on. It's like the what the, but not the actually what the bag. The colorway, bunch of different color from red, green, red, blue, it's orange. So with some speckle on the midsole. The outsole is not bad as well. It's just very nice and very effective for basketball, especially the outrigger shown here, which is very nice to have it on the part of the basketball shoes, especially when you're doing some lateral movement. So with that, this is just the only profitable that I see on the Nike factory store. So maybe a profit of $30 to $40 profit on the size 7.5. Other sizes are not really, like $15. So some of them are like $10 profit. So I just stay away because I just want to aim for higher profit for now, even though I really need to stock up with the inventory because Q4 is already here and malapit na ang Pasko, malapit na ang holiday. It's coming and need more inventory. But hey, don't want to force it. That's it for our Nike factory out hustle. So what do you think on this particular ones? And so what do you think on the Nike factory store today? I hope you like it. Can you please leave a thumbs up?